Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I don't know if y'all seen the video I uploaded yesterday, but it was just like, an update on this. But right now we're going to Walmart to get the oil changed, and I was gonna start before we left the house, but I got distracted, or I was just in such a rush to go or something. I honestly don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go get an oil change. So whenever we get to Walmart, I'm gonna show y'all some things that I'm planning to get for another car I have. But my bad. I'm gonna show y'all some things I'm planning on getting for another car that I have. It's just not working right now because I don't know, like it needs new coils and it needs a tune up and fix the oil leak and all that. So it definitely needs some work done. But I'm trying to make sure this doesn't fall this time. And it fell. Okay. Something else just fell too. I'll just put y'all there.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
I don't know. Okay. Hold on. There we go. You cannot. Hold on. Okay, baby. Why did I say baby? Okay, guys. I'm back. Shh. And hopefully it stays like this time, because I don't know why it's not. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna go get an oil change on this because it hasn't had an oil change in like 16,000 miles. So we're gonna go get an oil change done. I'm gonna hold y'all so y'all don't fall this time. Like I said, I don't even see where I fell last. Oh, there. See? But yeah, guys. Like I was saying, this thing hasn't had an oil change since like 280 something thousand miles, and it's got 296,000 miles on it right now. So I don't know, honestly. Hopefully I got enough money to cover it, which I mean I should, but everything's so darn expensive these days. Who knows? But yeah. Well, I'm just gonna, set y'all up on a little time lapse, and I'll see y'all whenever we get there. Alright, so yeah, what is it, guys? Welcome back. I don't know why I'm saying welcome back, like this is the intro to the video. But yeah, we just got here. It's gonna be like an hour wait, so we're gonna have to wait a while. But for the other car I have, I don't know if y'all seen that, but if not, I'll post a picture of it at the end. I'm thinking about getting this, but I'm probably just gonna go with the camo. Hit up with the camo seat covers too. Then get some of these to keep in there for the dash to like keep it all cleaned out. And I'm gonna get it painted black, so I'm thinking about going with the red, because I like those. I don't know. I probably shouldn't, but I'm thinking about getting like some of those, because that seatbelt hurts my neck when I'm riding. But I'm probably gonna go, if I go with that red, then I'm probably gonna do this for the license plate cover, and yeah. Oh, yeah, and with the tent situation on that, hold on. With the tent situation on the other car, I'm probably just gonna hit up 15% on the front two windows, then 5 the rest of the way back, and a 5% tint strip. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Then eventually, whenever I get the money, I'm probably gonna like, I don't know, get something to make gaming videos on again and stuff. But this time, better gaming videos. Yeah. So anyways, I'm just gonna walk around here, check some stuff out. So I'll get back to y'all if I see anything cool. So peace. Okay, guys. Well, I'm looking at this stuff now because I could definitely. Alright, so that's what I need. I can definitely use that. But also, come over here. Like, why not spend like 219 bucks on a 32-inch monitor, and then why not just spend 200 bucks on it? Why not just spend? I mean, why not just spend 200 instead of spending 300? Or then just spend 800 on the monitor. I'm the PC. Though you're only spending 1,000 in total, not like 2,000. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, how nice would it be to just making random Walmart content like that? That's universal. It's got an LED in it. I'm trying to find some cool stuff, so I'll get back to y'all if I see anything I like. Alright guys, and like I was saying, for the other car, another thing I'm gonna buy is these, get those big old bronky tires on it. But I'm still looking around, so I'll catch y'all if I see some other stuff that I like. Alright guys, so another thing is this. I'm sure y'all know what these are and everything. But the reason why I pointed that out is because whenever we went up there to see my brother, I don't know if I said that in the video or whatever, but I got a video of my younger brother, which y'all have all seen him because he's been the cameraman and he's been in multiple videos. Y'all have all seen him, so whenever he walked into my older brother's house, like my older brother just pop, 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 pop. I got a clip of that I'll throw in here if I can find it. So I ain't no guarantee y'all see that clip, but if I can find it, it's coming in here. So, as y'all can tell, what section we are in Walmart. We are with the bikes, as y'all can see, okay? But you know what else we got, huh? We got weights, muscles. It kind of sucks that the biggest weight they have is 40 pounds, so that kind of sucks. Let's take some looks at some bikes. So I like those two bikes right there. I wouldn't mind having those. I'm not a big fan of a mountain bike, but everyone has to have, well, not has to have one, but I'd definitely take that one. So yeah, as something else I'd recommend y'all keep an eye out at Walmart is these. Because, I mean, like, not this one, because I've never been a fan of this, but they also got those, which I got some, and the best part is they're on 20 bucks and change the wheels, the doors open, the hood opens, the tailgate drops and all that. So when we get back into the car, I'll show y'all that. That way y'all can see, see which ones I have, because mine's out in the car. So I'll see y'all whenever we get back out to the car. Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all some shoes I should buy at Walmart. See that price? 74 bucks. Boots. Steel toed. Ooh, I haven't seen these before. Yep, those still steel toed. But Walmart's got some cheap, nice looking steel toed boots. And also, if y'all want to be balling on a budget, get yourself some ad ones. 20 bucks, not 300. Just saying. Just trying to give y'all a little life lesson on how to ball on a budget. Alright, So yeah, guys, check this out. It's the car. It's the car. Alright guys, so we're back, and now we're gonna go vacuum out the car because it needs to be vacuumed out because it's kind of a mess. So I'm gonna just toss y'all back on another time lapse, and we'll see y'all when we get there. Alright, so guys, that's what that side looks like. I mean, I cleaned the other side, so it looks a lot better because it had a lot of crumbs on it and everything. But I'm gonna get all that stuff out the floor and then clean this side. Just showing you a little preview of everything. And that's the cars I was talking about. I'll get more into that later, but I'll be back. Alright guys, so like I was saying, we got it. Yeah, not the best. So we'll see y'all whenever I get that stuff cleaned out. Alright guys, so we're done with this car, which as you can see, it looks better. But now we're gonna go pick up my sister's car and go clean that. So I'll just see y'all whenever we get to where her car is. So peace. Okay guys, so we just picked up my sister's keys, and there's my car, and this is my sister's. So as you can tell, she's got darker tint. She's rocking that 5%, while we roll up with the 20%. Is this okay, well yeah, I'm just gonna put y'all on another time lapse because it will be better. So guys, I'll see y'all whenever we get to the car wash, or I might not even show y'all us washing that. Anyways, the point is, I'll hit y'all on time lapse while we go get us something to drink, and I'll just see y'all later.
It's 40. I just popped the pill cause a nigga feeling lonely. Yellow with the purple got me feeling like I'm Kobe. Every time I sip it got me feeling like I'm fruity. It's real shit. Now I'm moving on to better things. I'm focused on but nobody be stopping me. Do a fucking screen shit. They be fucking watching me. I just cracked the seal. Can't reveal how I feel this way. This shawty on my phone trying to bone, so I head that way. I hate to say the way I pipe it down, it's a feeling she can't replicate. Walking in my mind, made her take this shit like meditate. Mixed up in no pocket shit, I'm feeling like a brain swing. Niggas about to move, and it made my fucking mood change.
Alright guys, so now we're back in my car. You can tell that's hers. Look how much better that thing looks. I know I didn't really show y'all that much of the outside, but it's clean now. So now we're gonna go with this clean because you may be thinking, it's not that bad. trust me, it's pretty bad. And like all down there and everything, it's pretty bad. Definitely needs a car wash. See, like, see, yeah, it definitely needs a car wash. So I'll see y'all after I leave from there, and just do a time lapse back to the house. Peace. Yo, I know y'all just seen this with the other car, but this one's mine, and it smells good. It smells real good in here now. So like I'll go over the dash setup in a different video, but yeah, it just looks so satisfying, I swear. And so whenever we get out of here, I'll show you the car whenever we get back to the house, and I'll just hit the time lapse back to the house after we get out. Alright, yo, so guys, we're back at the house, and I'm just gonna show y'all what the car looks like now. Oh, what the? My bad. I thought the camera was facing the other way. But, see, it's got that scratch there, which I'll explain that in a video with, like, what's really wrong with this car. Which ain't a lot. It didn't wash my tires that good. But then, that's what the sides look like now. And still, tires is... Dude, like, what's that? What is this, bro? They didn't even wash it. Then, you know, still, the tires once again. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. I mean, shoot, other than the tires and everything, it's okay, I guess. But guys, if y'all like seeing long videos like this, which I don't know how long it's gonna be, maybe 15-20 minutes, maybe longer, hopefully. But yeah, if y'all like seeing videos like this, just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll try and start making longer videos like this again. Peace.